Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add page animations to your Shopify store. Animations can make your website more engaging, improve the user experience, and give your store a modern, professional feel. Let's go through it together. On your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store. From there, click on Edit Theme. On the left side, you will see Theme Settings, marked by a gear icon. Scroll down until you find the Animations section. You can turn animations on by enabling the toggle. You can also choose a hover effect, such as vertical lift or 3D tilt, depending on what looks best for your store. When you are happy with your settings, click Save. And that's it. That's how we add animations to our Shopify store. With the right animations, we can create a smoother and more enjoyable shopping experience for our customers.